3 key requirements to become a document controller. Degree level, experience, key skills. Degree level. There is no degree or diploma specific to document control. It is a job that most have learned on the job. For that reason, a degree is not always required, but most employers prefer an applicant who has attended a training course in document control and who holds a professional certification in document control. Training courses such as 1. Introduction to document control. 2. The basic of document control. 3. Document identification. 4. Document classifying, filing, information and security. 5. Document life cycle. 6. Document distribution. 7. A project document control. 8. Document control procedure and specifications. 9. Electronic document management system. And 10. Interactions with project teams, engineering teams, and managers. Certification. There are 2 different levels of certification. Level 1. The document control certification that includes document control skills, understanding of the role and environment of the document controller, skills in terms of interfaces, and professional ethics. Level 2. Lead Document Control Certification includes of manage a team, calculate workload, organize task and workload, communicate plan with management and teams. Experience. Experience working in document control is appreciated by most employers. It is, however, one of the work area where skills, attitude, and personal qualities can be perceived by potential employers as more relevant than experience. This gives a chance to everyone, including beginners, especially when applying for a junior position. Experience in electronic document management system. Experience requirements. Proven work experience as a document controller or similar role. Familiarity with project management. Basic knowledge of labor corporate law. Hands-on experience with MS Office and MS Excel. Knowledge of electronic document management systems, EDMS. Proficient typing and editing skills. Data organization skills. Attention to detail. BSc degree in project management or relevant field. The end. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.